Like I said, we're going to do a math competition, okay? So I will say an equation, you answer into that mic, Kiwi will answer into this one, whoever does it fastest wins, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we'll start off easy. Okay, what about, what is 1 plus 3?
4.
Yeah, we'll call it a warm-up. That's a good point. We'll call it a warm-up. You were right behind him, all right? Okay, let's do another one. What is 7 minus 3?
4.
Yeah, that was close. You were right behind him. Okay, tell you what, we'll try to slow him down, okay? How about that? Kiwi is pretty quick. So, what is 12 divided by 3?
4.
Oh, you're speeding up. You're getting good. Okay, Caleb, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Good. Are you having fun? That's what matters. We need to be having fun right now. So here, tell you what. Let's throw out all of those other ones. This next one, winner takes all, okay? Do we think Caleb can do it? Yeah! I love this excitement. All right, for the grand prize, what is 2 plus 2? 4!